We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Tachi waza is called Yukitsure. Yukitsure. Yukitsure means an escort. And this is an enemy escort that's taking us somewhere for some reason, whether it's an execution or whatever it might be. We're ordered to go somewhere. And so we're walking along with them. Now, there's a lot of different things you can do with this. We're going to explore 3 of them. First, we're going to do 3 different footworks, and then you'll see what they connect to. And then 3 different positions, exactly where the escorts are going to be with us. This is one of the stepping methods. It's not the core one, but I'm going to give it to you first because it's easy to do with this, just like that. Okay, so ready? This is one method. We do 3 steps in, and on the 3rd step, we go in toward that side and we attack this way. So ready? 1, 2, 3. See it? Okay, again. Think of these 2 people escorting you, right? Name of the kata is Yukitsure. And one interpretation is escort, bringing you along, right? Ready? Step 1, 2, 3, boom. Okay, noto. So that's just to feel how to do that cut. We're gonna do something else now. So let me go through the core of the kata first. The core, as we've done it in the Sanchinkai by Mitsuzuku Takeshi Sensei's teachings. All right. So little different scenario on the opening cut. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? On this 3rd step, we're going to do this. Watch. Let's do this with me, everybody, okay? Let's do the footwork, and hold the sword with your left hand over here. So go 1, 2, 3. Drag the left foot up toward it. Move it off 45. Drag your right back a little bit, then come out. Okay? Then step over here with your left. Okay? So this is going to be the core footwork. And I'll show you the application for that in a few minutes. All right? Ready? Step 1, 2. Drag the foot up, move off to the side, come back in. Step over with your left. Boom. All right. So everybody's going to get a partner. Okay. They're going to be right about here. Okay? So everybody take a right foot 1. Take a left foot 2. My side, bring your hands up. 3, take a right step. Chris, turn toward me. Just turn toward me. And reach for my tsuka. Okay? You see it? And attack. Don't do the attack, right? Again, noto. Okay? So this is a possible scenario, one application scenario. You're moving away with these 2 people, but the idea is to ambush you as they're moving with you. They're gonna kill you before they take you anywhere they were supposed to take you. This attacker will turn around and try and incapacitate me, turn and grab. Once he does this, and I'm stuck and I can't move, this attacker turns and that's it, you're finished. Because you can't move your sword, right? That's what this is all about. This action here. See that? See that? So go to here with me, everybody. Right here with left foot close to right. Okay? Push your sword down a little bit into the outside. Now, every inch that this foot moves, move your saya with it. See it? Okay? Do that again. We're here. We're in the center. We're avoiding their grab. We want to be moving our left foot back and moving our left hand with it. Every little bit we move the left foot, we move the left hand. And that's loading the attack as you do it. Do that. Do it again. Feel it.